Alright guys, so first of all I want you to open up your browser and go to Google, and here type down Code Blocks. So their official website is probably going to be ranked first, not including any optional sponsored ads. That's probably going to be it, codeblocks.org. Let's click it. And just to make everything clear, we need two main things. The first one is a place, some editor where we can write our code, and second, we said earlier that we are going to need the compiler for the translation from our programming language to a machine language. So that's what we are looking for. And although we can download these two parts separately, I want you to download both of them together, integrated as we said previously, and that all of this setup will be much easier for us and we'll get it done in just a couple of moments. So let's go to Downloads, and what we can see here is that we have a couple of options. The first one is to download the binary release, the second one is to download the source code and also to get it from SVN. And what we want to do is to get the binary release, so press on it, and then we can choose whatever operating system we have, whether it's Windows, Linux or Mac OS. For example, I'm currently recording this course on Windows, so I'm going to select that. And now we have a couple of options to choose from. By the way, if you're using Mac OS, then there is only one option for you to download, so that's even easier for you. And for those of you guys who are using Linux, take a closer look at the options and pick the right one for you based on your distribution. Okay, so for Windows users, we are going to download MinGW setup, because as you can see here in the notes, MinGW setup also includes additional GCC compiler. And let's leave aside this debugger for now, because what interests us here is that this binary file includes the compiler that we said is a must for us, right? We need this guy to translate the code from our programming language to a machine language. So let's go with this option and download it. The download should take about a couple of minutes, so you can pause me. I'll just skip this part to when the download is complete. And we're almost done. Yeah, now it's done. Okay. So once the download is over, let's move to the setup of code blocks. Click or double click the execution file. All right, press yes, press next. Read the whole license agreement. Alright, it's very long. Press I agree. Don't change anything here, just stick with the defaults. Press next. Now choose your destination folder and press install. I'll just leave it as is for now. Alright, so let it run for a couple of seconds, a couple of moments. It's going to extract everything that is necessary for us to get started. So give it a second. Alright, so that's over. And do you want to run code blocks now? So simply launch the application, and once it's open, basically we can say that you are ready to go. So that's code blocks. That's the code blocks that we've downloaded and installed this whole time, this whole section. Fantastic. I hope everything has gone smoothly for you in this video and that you are done with the download and setup of code blocks. Congratulations, guys. Now you are ready to move on to the next video, where we are going to learn how to start a new project in code blocks.